very heavy. Okay, so the reason why I bought this stapler is because for my sticker shop, I'm currently using this as my packaging envelope. It's a vellum sheet, put the stickers in here, and to seal the edges, I've been using a glue stick or double-sided tape. And I think the stapler will help me save a little bit of time because folding this and gluing it is kind of annoying, and it will allow me to have a slightly bigger envelope, or a significantly bigger one in fact. So I usually make these envelopes with half an 8.5 by 11 sheet of paper that I cut in half. This is what it looks like. I've just folded it this other half like this. Normally I fold in the sides for my regular envelope, but now I'm going to try just stapling the sides. Okay, so I apologize for the angle, but my camera is currently balancing on a bean paste jar, and because I kind of want to use both hands for this, so I decided I should use a scrap piece of paper to test how far the staple goes. I'm guessing it's exactly where the picture is, over here, so I'm just going to test that out. Okay, I'm not sure how hard I'm supposed to press it. I pressed pretty hard. Let me try lighter. Oh yeah, maybe I don't need to press that hard. I pressed it super lightly, and it's still stapled. Okay, so this side was the one where I pressed super lightly, and this one was the one where I pressed all the way down, and it literally looks the exact same, so maybe you don't need to press that hard. I also like how the staple comes out really close to the edge, so you don't waste too much paper. I can maximize the size of my envelope without really easily. I just put the paper all the way into the back. I'm going to press lightly. Actually, I'll press harder. Oh, yeah. So staple came out all the way at the end. Let me put another one at the top. I'll put one in the middle. Oh, I wonder why it makes a crack sound when I press hard. Because I do have small stickers, I'm going to try sealing in these gaps with more staples. The good thing about staple-free stapler is I don't have to feel guilty about wasting too many staples. This is literally a paper crimper. And now the seal is small enough that none of my small stickers will fall through. Oh, it made that crack sound. I'm really paranoid that I'm gonna crack or break this. I'm going to try being more gentle when I press, just in case it's not supposed to make the crack sound. Okay, there we go. Now we have a fully sealed envelope. Pretty good pocket. I really hope my customers will appreciate the uniqueness of this envelope and the staple I used, and hopefully they can reuse it. I can fit a lot more stickers in my envelopes now. Hope you guys liked the video.